Good morning, students. Topic for today is job interview. Second subtopic in chapter number second. An interview can be defined as an oral tool used to test a candidate's suitability for employment. As it is a tool, it calls for the skill of verbal and non-verbal communications which are necessary to impress the interviewers. So, job interview is a kind of knowing, gathering information about the prospectus, knowing informations about the candidate's profile, its skill, its confidence, and whether an candidate is able to be motivated towards his or her job. So, communication skills, verbal and non-verbal communications, self-confidence, motivations are seen during a job interview. So, interview can be defined as an opportunity. It's an opportunity for both the employers and the applicant to gather informations. So, employer, that is company itself, will try to gather informations about candidates and its suitabilities towards the job. Whether candidate will be able to work in an organizations, or what are the things they have to see for the job. Example, if there is an interview for a production manager, then there will be a specific criteria for production manager is required skills. So, company or an interviewer will be in a keen interest in candidates about the skills which an production manager should possess, right? So, suitability means I am looking for a person who should be having knowledge of production department. I should be having a knowledge of person who will be experienced in production management department for many years, right? So, this job is especially having certain criteria, and that criteria has to be fulfilled. If that criteria is not being fulfilled, then your required job profiles will not be completed. So, if you are looking for a production manager, if you are looking for a marketing manager, if you are looking for executive or any other kind of a job which you are looking for, or you are looking for a candidate as an employer, if I am looking for a candidate for a specific job interview, then I should have a keen interest in knowing whether that person will be suitable for the job or not. So, job interview is getting informations about candidates, and even candidates will be able to know about the company, right? Their general system, code of conducts, how an organizations work, right? So, job interview is knowing the company, knowing the candidates, and generally fulfilling the requirement of job. So, interview is an opportunity for both the employers and the applicant to gather information. The employer wants to know as to whether the applicant has the skills, knowledge, self-confidence, and motivation for the job, right? So, most of the times, apart from skills and knowledge, companies are also looking for whether a person is self-motivated, whether he is able to get any kinds of work. If he would be sent to any kinds of work, he would fulfill that job requirements, right? So, keen interest is there in an candidates who are better suitable for the job. Now, interview preparation. Next topic is interview preparation. How you can prepare for an interview, right? So, any kinds of job interview in future after completing your BBA, when you would be there in market to search a job, right? Then what kind of job will be you can do, right? So, that is the important thing. So, you should know specific things before going to any interview. A better homework is utmost necessary. Chances are there that you would be selected 99% if you are proactive. It means you are in advance prepared for the interview about the company. You would have initial informations, and if you would be knowing everything about yourself. So, first step in preparing for an interview is knowing yourself. That is the biggest thing a person should know himself, right? Because it's simple logic. If you are not able to know yourself, if you does not know who you are as a personality, then you cannot describe to any other person, right? So it is very simple that a person should be having a knowledge of at least himself, his positive qualities, his negative qualities. He may be better knowing than anybody else, right? If I say my positive qualities or negative qualities would be known by me, right? So that I should be knowing myself very well. So you would be asked both general and specific questions about your goals, values, motivations, and what you can contribute to the organizations. So the first step in preparing for an interview is to do a thorough self-assessment so that you know what you have to offer to the employers, right? So as I told, knowing yourself, your positive qualities, whatever the interviewer may ask, you should be able to better describe yourself, right? So whatever the talent you possess, whatever the skills you have possessed, and in this particular years, what you have done and in which things you are expert, right? So there are certain points which you have to highlight. Suppose the requirement for the job is as a production manager, then I should be able to know what are my characteristics and whether I can be able to fit to a production manager job or not, right? So that is an utmost thing you should be describing yourself. A person should be knowing better himself or herself so that they can try to impress other, try to convey others, right? So that is an important thing, knowing yourself. Second step, it is know the employer and the industry, right? Before you face a job interview, it is advisable to have thorough knowledge about the prospective websites and gather information about nature of business, volume of business, company's vision, mission, market share of the company's products, etc. Right? So these are the necessary things before going to any interview for any company's job. You should be at least be knowing about company, its vision, mission, right? About the general informations about an industry. For example, if I am going to go to do a job in Amul, then I should be knowing about Amul. When Amul was started, what are the products of Amul, what are the turnover of Amul, right? So that is important. So knowing yourself, it's the most important thing. Second thing is knowing your employer and the industry. Example, if I would be going to give interview for Amul, then I should know about Amul, and Amul comes in which industry. Then Amul is making milk product, so its competitors, the entire industry also I should have the knowledge, right? If I am going to go to give interview for a job of an employee, right, in any organizations, then I should be having an adequate knowledge about that organizations and the entire industry, right? So many examples you can give that a person should be having. If I am interested in doing a job in mobile phone companies, then I should at least have knowledge about mobile phone industry, right? Which are the mobile brands in India? What are the mobile brands in the world, right? The general knowledge should be there. So know the employer and the industry. That is the second step to better prepare for the interview. Third step is know the job, right? So that is the important thing. It is very important that you have clear understanding of the responsibilities of the job you have applied for. So you should at least have an idea of which job you are applying for. If you would not be having any idea, then it will be a real embarrassment for you, because you does not know the job and its requirement, what kind of job is there, right? So if I am going for an accountant job, then my work is to do accounting work, right? If I am going to do a job in a college as a professor, my work is to give lectures on the topic, right? So that is the important thing. important thing to know the job, which is the job, what different things I have to perform in my job, right? So any companies, any industries, if I go to work in any hotel, I should be knowing about hotel industry. So you should be knowing the job, right? It is very important. You should be in a position to convince the interviewer that your skills and accomplishment are in perfect tune with the job profile, right? So when you give interview, there are specific etiquettes for that, right? So when you go for a job interview, how you should go? You should carry your documents, you should be well dressed, and you should be confident enough, you should be prepared about the job, about the company, industries. You should be having a knowledge of what that job is expecting and what qualities you possess, why you are fit for that organizations. So that is knowing about your job. You can also ask questions the employer with reference to the responsibilities and expectation of the position. You should be mentally prepared to ask questions that will help you understand career prospects, training and learning if you choose to work for the organization. Fourth step, know about interview questions and prepare your responses, right? So that is generally a frequently asked question कि इंटरव्यू में कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. जैसे मैं कह सकता हूँ कि एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन है इंटरव्यू में कि आप ये जॉब क्यों करना चाहते हैं, राइट? ये आप जॉब क्यों करना चाहते हैं, या आप हमको क्यों जॉब दें, हम आपको ही जॉब क्यों दें. अगर ये क्वेश्चंस इंटरव्यू में द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है तो वो पूछा ही जाएगा. तो आपको पहले से एक ऐसा आंसर प्रिपेयर करके जाना है जो कि आपकी पर्सनालिटी, आपकी स्किल्स पे मैच करता हो, राइट? सो यू शुड बी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड. दैट इज फॉर द क्वेश्चंस. whatever the questions which will be likely to be asked, it does not, there is no sequence of questions they will ask. They will be knowing you, your name. They are interested in the job and your skills, qualities, knowledge what you have, right? उनको एक ही चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है कि मुझे मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लिए एक परफेक्ट बंदा चाहिए. तो परफेक्ट उनको कोई भी पर्सन कैसे मिलेगा? तो परफेक्ट मिलेगा जब वो इंटरव्यू लेंगे, लोगों से पूछेंगे, बातचीत करेंगे. दे विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज द कैंडिडेट्स आर हैविंग and which candidate will be fit for the organizations, right? So that is the important thing. So know about interview questions and prepare your responses in advance. आप prepare करके जाइए. It will be very interesting that आपको कोई question पूछ रहा है, पहले से आपको उसका आंसर पता है, right? आप उसमें ऐड भी कर सकते हो. So you would be more confident if you are well prepared for that. कुछ questions ऐसे होते हैं that always are common questions that everybody would be asking. So पहले से अगर हमको पता है इंटरव्यू में जाना है तो क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर करके जाते हैं, उनके रिस्पॉन्स भी प्रिपेयर करके जाते हैं. देन इट विल बी एडवांटेजियस फॉर अस टू फील कॉन्फिडेंस. जैसे हमको कोई प्रेजेंटेशन देना है एज ए स्टूडेंट, तो हम प्रेजेंटेशन में टॉपिक हमको एडवांस में दिया है तो उसके लिए हम प्रैक्टिस करके वो कर सकते हैं. एडवांस में हमको पता है, राइट? सो वो अच्छे से हो सकता है, बेहतर से हो सकता है इफ़ इन एडवांस इफ़ यू आर नोइंग, right? When you are planning for that, that is the important thing. So know about interview questions, prepare your responses. The interview may use open-ended questions, behavioral questions, close-ended questions, hypothetical questions, etc. अलग अलग टाइप के क्वेश्चंस वो आपको पूछ सकते हैं. कोई हाइपोथेटिकल क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है, राइट? ऑपोजिट पूछ सकता है. फिर कोई बिहेवियरल क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. फिर ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन में ज़्यादा आप बोल सकते हो. क्लोज एंडेड मतलब येस और नो ही आपको रिस्पॉन्स देना पड़ेगा. तो दैट इज स्टेप नंबर 4. नो अबाउट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस एंड प्रिपेयर योर रिस्पॉन्सेस. फिफ्थ स्टेप इज नो द इंटरव्यू अरेंजमेंट. जनरली यू आर इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट द लोकेशन ऑफ द इंटरव्यू couple of days in advance. If possible, drive to the location of the interview. This will give you an idea about the time it takes to reach the location. एक स्वाभाविक बात है कि जहाँ पे इंटरव्यू होना है, जहाँ पे एग्ज़ाम होनी है, पहले हम वो वेन्यू देख के आते हैं, कितना टाइम लगता है हमारे घर से वहाँ जाने के लिए। तो हमको पहले से आइडिया रहेगा इन माइंड कि उस दिन जब एग्ज़ाम होगा या इंटरव्यू होगा तब हमको किस तरह से जाना है, कौन से टाइम में जाना है, राइट। सो एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल, लाइक सपोज 10th and 12th एग्ज़ाम्स व्हेन इट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन। तो जनरली जो भी बच्चे फर्स्ट टाइम बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स देते हैं तो वो जहाँ पे उनका नंबर, रोल नंबर्स आएगा कौन से भी स्कूल में, वो स्कूल देख के आते हैं वो, राइट, कि वेन्यू कौन सा है, कहाँ बैठना है हमको। दैट इज़ द बेटर थिंग दे आर डूइंग इन एडवांस, दे आर प्लानिंग फॉर द अरेंजमेंट वेन्यू। तो it is logical, wherever you have to give the presentations, wherever you have to give the interview, at least you have to go and see where you have to give the interview. So it will be having an idea that from your place how much far that place is located. Sixth step is attend a job interview, seminar, training program, right. You can attend a job interview seminar conducted by an expert to equip yourself for a job interview. Some placement consultant arrange for mock interviews also. Such interviews will give you stimulated experience of facing an interview panel. Placement consultants give you useful tips regarding your body language, dressing, document to be carried, etc. Right? So that is the important thing. Sixth step is कि attend a job interview seminars, training programs. जनरली स्पेसिफिकली MBAs करने के बाद, मास्टर्स करने के बाद जो भी प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेस है, तो कंपनीज में, कॉरपोरेट वर्ल्ड में अगर जॉब चाहिए तो उसके लिए कई एम्प्लॉयमेंट एजेंसीज है। तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट एजेंसीज का वर्क यही होता है कि दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू। अगर कोई भी कंपनीज में रिक्वायरमेंट निकली है तो उनके पास वो रिक्वायरमेंट उनको पता है, राइट। उस हिसाब से वो कोई भी कैंडिडेट होंगे उनको प्रिपरेशन करवाते हैं। सो दैट इज़ एन बेटर आइडिया, दैट इज़ एन बेटर थिंग्स दे डू व्हेन दे इन एडवांस दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एन जॉब इंटरव्यू। तो 1-2 महीने का कोर्स है, 3-4 महीने, 6 महीने का कोर्स है, जहाँ पे वो आपको ट्रेनिंग देंगे। उसमें मॉक इंटरव्यू कि जैसे इंटरव्यू लेता है उसी तरह वो इंटरव्यू लेते हैं। जैसे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे मेडिकल प्रिपरेशंस के लिए आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट हो गया, राइट। ऐसे कई इंस्टीट्यूट है जो दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स टू डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स, राइट। सो दैट इज एन बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज स्टूडेंट्स शुड गेट, दैट इज they are well prepared in advance for the job. They are actually they are given an experience of giving an interview, right. उनके पास ही फैसिलिटीज़ होती है, they will be there and they will आपको एक टाइमिंग दे देंगे, टॉपिक दे देंगे, at that time you have to give a job interview, right. The main interview that is going to come, but important thing here is दैट कि हाउ यू विल प्रिपेयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू। आपकी कोई मिस्टेक्स है तो एडवांस में आपका इंटरव्यू देख के वो लोग पता कर सकते हैं कि कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स है, कहाँ पे सॉल्यूशंस करना है। सो दैट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इट इज़ हैविंग, राइट। सो दिस वाज द टॉपिक फॉर अस टुडे, दैट इज़ इंटरव्यू, जॉब इंटरव्यू, राइट। सो वी ऑल्सो विल बी डूइंग one kind of activities where job interviews will be taken of a students, right, and as a result of that they will be able to get the basic requirements, right, for the job, right. So these are the steps that we have done. Interview preparations, 6 steps are there. Knowing yourself, first step. Step 2, know the employer and the industries. Third step is know the job, knowing about the job. Fourth step is know about interview questions and prepare your responses. That is the fourth step. Fifth step is know the job interview arrangements, and step 6 is attend job interview seminars training program. So this was the topic for today. Thank you.